Hi YouTube, it's Jen here, Jen. I'm here to say, I don't know if this is my first video, but I probably forgot it if I uploaded any other ones. So, I'm just gonna say it's my first video. Making an Animal Jam account stuff. So, it is an account giveaway. I actually have some free accounts with it. You just have to contact me. It is no scam. I am only 8-year-old. No bad comments. No bad comments, please. I'm 18 years old, turning 9 in December 2013. I'm turning 9 in December 2013. So, yes. And the account giveaway, I don't really feel like showing up all this stuff, so you just have to contact me. I'll show you the contact page. I'll give you all mine, but you have to be the second contactor to win the awesome member account. Here's my Gmail: g.price.2004@gmail.com. No scam. I'm only 8 years old. Trust me. Let me sink that in for a little bit. Price.2004@gmail.com. Okay, goodbye.